Hello everyone, I'm Sarah. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to introduce this unit short blast machine. We can see this is a roller conveyor type, but for this machine that is suitable to blast stone and marble and paver block. We can see the blast turbine only on top, because for this machine that only need to blast the top surface of the marble. If you need blast the side surface, maybe for this machine we can use the 3 unit or 4 unit turbine. So we can, according to unit, to design the position and the quantity of the blast turbine. And in the blasting chamber, we use the high manganese steel plate that can use about 7 to 8 years. In here, that is the inlet. When the workpieces come out here, that will send the signal to the PLC system, and the blast turbine will start to work. That ensures in the blasting chamber without workpieces, the blast turbine don't work. Another special part, dust collector. Because this machine blasts stones that have many dust, so we can say first one, setting chamber. Second, cyclone. And the third one is the back type dust collector. This is a small type short blast machine and with good price. So if you like this machine and if you have the marble need to blast, you can contact me. Bye.